Alright, we're going to start gluing our head together, and we're going to start with our 3 inside pieces. Set that piece aside. We're just going to do 2 at a time, because if you try to do more than 2, then you get a lot of slipping in there. So it's better to do these 2 pieces, and then after it sets up for about an hour, then you can start adding 1 piece at a time. You can use a plastic card, works really well for spreading this, or you can use your hand, whichever you prefer. But we'll get this glue spread out all across it. Like I said, we'll clamp it, let it set for, give it about an hour to set up a little bit, then you can start adding more pieces until you get them all put together. Stick these together here. And you want to make sure you got a good alignment. You want the outside to line up properly. So with your first clamp, you just want to kind of snug it a little bit, because it's going to slide until you get a couple of clamps on it. Put that down. Once you get a few clamps on it, then you can start to tighten it. You want to make sure you got your alignment where you want it, because you don't want it sliding on you and being off-centered. Once you got your alignment where you want it, then you can tighten it all down. Once you got that set, then you can tighten it down. Like I say, let it set for about an hour before you add another piece. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I will get back with you. Thanks for watching.